What's up, y'all? It's your boy Magnus.Magneto from Now or Never crew, and today I'm joined with your boy
Lee. Yo, what's up? What's up?
Bboy Juice Lee from
like my crew.
Yeah.
The Wonder Crew and So Cats.
Yeah, So Cats, baby. We're a crew from old school. Old school.
Yes.
So last week we did a little footwork combo, and I put it on my story. You guys wanted to see it, so Lee and I are gonna teach it to you guys today.
Yeah, let's get it. We're gonna first step forward with my right feet, and we're gonna have a nice little pose there, and then we're gonna drop from there. So here you can go to CC. I think we all know how to do CC. So from CC we can go to a 5-star, which you hook your left foot back in, and then you twist, and then you're all the way to other side, and then now your right foot out. You can do a CC on the other side, and then we do the same process one more time, in different way. Kind of messed that up, but
that's okay. So we'll put those together now.
Yeah. Okay. So we're gonna step forward with my right feet. Pose, and then we're going to go down, and then we're going to turn into a CC. CC the other way. Push back.
Okay, so from right here, after doing the 5-star, you're gonna hop onto your left leg, swinging your right, just like this. Then you're gonna do that right into a 10-step. Okay, so you're gonna cross your right leg here into a half hook. Left leg goes over top. Right leg steps backwards. Then you cross left, right hit center, cross left. Right over top, left to the front, squat in here. Now from right here, we swing our right leg right into one of my 4-step variations. So you're gonna sweep your right, then you're gonna hop over your right with your left leg, landing in the center, and then you go switch, then you cross down and squat. Okay, so now let's try adding the first section in with that section. So from the top, going slowly, 5, 6, 7, 8, we go step, turn, CC, 5-star, CC, 5-star. Then we go hop, 10-step, slowly. And then we're going into our 4-step, hop over, switch, back, center, and switch.
All right. After the 4-step, we're gonna go into our 3-step, okay? Oh, and then we're gonna start our 3-step in this way, okay? So 1, 2, and 3. So you can play around with just 3-step. You can go 1, 2, both feet on the ground, 1, 2, and then you can go 1 foot on the ground, or you can do whatever style that you want to do in 3-step. Then 1, 2, and then we kind of hook it in, and then we jump over with our left feet and do hop right there. Yeah. 5, 6, 7, 8. C-star. 4-step. And then 3-step.
So final part, we just did Lee's hook right here. We're gonna go kick this leg out, boom. Then we go behind. Then we're gonna bring this leg behind, bringing your front leg up, boom. Right?
Yeah.
Kick, step, hit.
Kick, step,
and then,
hit.
oh, I forgot my choreo. Split, oh my goodness, I forgot.
One eternity later.
So from here, we're going kick front, kick back, then you cross this leg behind, front leg comes up, then you kick your front leg down, then back leg kicks in front, then you're gonna cross this high figure 4 CC, down, squat. Then from here, we just stand up to the front again, like the beginning, turn around, finish, okay? So that section one more time. We're going here, kick, back, hook in front, then step down, kick in front, and hook CC, back in, step, hit. 5, 6, 7, 8, go. Step, turn, CC, 5-star, falling, 5-star, up, 10 step, into 4 step, 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 step, into Lee's, hook around, then kick, behind, up, kick, down, hit, center, grab, around, boom. And that's all. And then from there, just run it with music, and then you got it. All right, Lee, on that note, where can people follow you up if they want to follow you because you're so fresh and so fly? Where?
What?
Where can they follow you? Like on social media? Where?
oh.
Instagram?
Yeah, Bboy Choreography on Instagram.
Anywhere else?
That was it.
All right, y'all, follow him up. Thanks for watching. Boo!
I didn't hear what you say.
Love is love. Love is love.